What's up, everybody? What's up, 20 followers? Welcome back to Dockside DIY, one of my first videos here on this spectacular channel, hoping to grow this channel to be um, one of the best, if not the best, boating channel on all of YouTube. Uh, we got a lot of work to do. Today I found a free boat on the old Facebook Marketplace, and it is only 10 minutes away from my house. So, which is good because this thing looks like it's been sitting for 50 years. I think it's from the 60s, maybe. Um, it's really old and it's beat up. There's a hole in it, and from the pictures that I saw on Facebook, um, I don't know. Hopefully I can like strap it. I'm gonna throw a strap over the boat and maybe another strap. I'm gonna strap it down real good. I got some straps in the truck, so I think it'll look really janky. It'll look janky for sure, but it's gonna be all it has to do is make it 10 minutes home. So I've done sketchier things, I guess. So there's that. Alrighty, here she is. So I've got a couple things I was able to figure out about this boat. Um, so it looks like it's a Pipestone boat from the Pipestone Boat Company. There's not many markings on this thing, like at all. This one's all faded. It looks so. Just did a little bit of research on the old internet, and I believe it's from the 1950s or early 60s. Obviously, it's fiberglass. Um, Also, this is a dead giveaway. Yeah, fiberglass here. I believe it's a 14-footer runabout. The steering wheel is really cool. It's an old Atwood, I believe. Yeah, it's an Atwood steering wheel. Really cool. I always like the look of these. And interior, not great, but we can clean it up. And then we've got the old Johnson 35 here. Probably needs a few things, I'm sure. I haven't even opened it up to look, so we'll have to figure that out together. And the trailer, I don't know. This thing looks homemade. I'd be this. It just has to be. I don't know. I've never seen a trailer like this. It's super weird. Everything about it is strange, super sketchy. Wheels are everything's just everything's sketchy about this trailer. You know, good thing it didn't fall apart on the road, but I kept it at like 25, 35 miles per hour at the most. So let's get cleaning. I'm gonna clean up the interior first, and then give it a pressure wash, and clean all this stuff out. There's crap everywhere. All right. Heineken. Gross. Seen better days than this gas can here. Looks like it was used as target practice. Yeah, bullet holes for sure. Pretty cool though. I'm sure that hole in the boat is target practice as well. Ew. Oh wow, all kinds of stuff back here. Okay, there's a few things back here I didn't even know. I got a battery box. So that's where that is. I'll just get rid of that for now. We've got trailer parts, may or may not need. Probably won't need that. Some more trailer parts. Okay. Maybe a bunk. Ew. It smells in here. Looks like an old controls here. These might be the, I don't know what these are. These might be the originals, but let me see. Smith. New one says Smith on it, so this has got to be it. Yeah, we'll just ignore that for now. Goodbye. God. This thing has seen better days. That is for sure. Okay, what else we got? Yo.
shear pins. Oh, geez. Okay. Well, these are good to have, but packaging is a little old. Fell apart right away. We'll just put that somewhere. I'm not sure where. Right here. Some more stuff here. Got this really cool tree. Look at that. Another bit of, what is this? It looks like a freaking carrot. This may be a carrot or something along those lines. Maybe parsley or something. I don't know. It doesn't seem like a regular weed that we get here in Wisconsin. Ugh, God, this thing is just gross. There's freaking snails in here. Ew.
the boat turned out decent. Quick pressure wash, really cleaned it up. There was decades worth of grime on it, and the inside, as you guys saw, was full of it was full of all kinds of crap. So it looks really good now for what it is, for being a free boat. We still got a little bit of work to do. Next, I want to patch up the hole on the side of the hull. I also want to spend some time on the engine. It does seem to have compression, so I kind of gave it a quick turn, and with the pull cord, and it seemed to have compression. So my hopes are high. So we'll take a look at that, and maybe do a quick interior. It's clean, but maybe add a couple pads for the seats, something quick and easy and cheap, just so we can get it out on the lake and see how it does. So, and also take a look at the trailer. Thankfully, I don't have very far to go. So until next time, guys, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.